Meeting with a client, I try to provide the client with an understanding of what the process is, and I walk them through the process. And basically that involves the beginning of a case, which is collecting information and trying to stabilize matters. I call that the temporary order stage. The idea there is to put orders in place that will provide who's going to stay in the house, what's the arrangement going to be insofar as getting the bills paid, what's going to happen with regard to custody of the children and access to the children on a temporary basis. And that's all the temporary order stage. The idea is to stabilize things. The second stage I consider the discovery phase, and that is both sides are trying to get information from third parties and from the other side about what the assets are, what the characterization of the assets are, valuing things, taking depositions, basically information collection and analysis. At some point in time, you move to the third phase, which is the settlement phase. At that point in time, you have enough information to form a reasonable position on settlement, and you can try to settle it, either by the parties talking themselves, or by negotiations between lawyers, or by mediation. I'm a huge believer in mediation. And then finally, if mediation fails and the case must be tried, then gearing up for the final trial and having a trial. In most cases, that's not necessary. In most cases, settle before that point. But when it's necessary, it's necessary.